Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable pop-ups in the Google Chrome web browser, or alternatively if you want to disable the pop-up blocker and allow pop-up and redirects in the Google Chrome browser. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up browser, Google Chrome, click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down, click on site settings. You just need to scroll down, click on the pop-up and redirects. So if you want to allow website to send pop-ups and use the redirects, you just need to select site can send pop-ups and use redirects. You select this if you want it. If you don't want it, you just need to select don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Generally, it's more secure to have the second option, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.